Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to look at Sidra, how to secure your account. You need to secure your account. Sidra has made it possible and easier for us to secure our account to avoid future had I know. And so many things is currently going on right now. Many people are complaining that their Sidra account is being withdrawn from their wallet. So you must make sure you secure your account. And if you have not done your Sidra KYC, you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp. I will give you guidelines on how to secure your Sidra verification within 2 minutes. Reach out to me on my WhatsApp. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share, and subscribe to the bell notification. You can as well join our WhatsApp group or Telegram channel for high value updates. So you need to make sure that you are mining. You click on this. It is very easy. Make sure that you are in a clean environment and no one is closer, so that you capture only your face and you will start mining for the day. So after mining, coins claimed successfully. I've started mining for the day. The next thing you need to do is to locate this your setting icon. Now you have to click on your KYC spot or port, whichever way. So you can see that my account is verified. So the next thing to do is, if you scroll down here, you can see your security. Sidra has given us 3 features that will enable you to secure your account. Looking at here, you can also see security, 2-factor authentication, or passkey, that's biometric. Whichever one that is okay by you. Is either you enable your passkeys, whereby you open your Sidra account with your fingerprint, or you use password, or you also enable 2-factor authentication. At least 2 of these securities required from you, so that you can secure your account. So many people out there are not interested in mining Sidra. What they want is, they are looking for an avenue to steal those people's account that is not secure. They will steal your account, and or at the end of the day, you will lose access to your wallet, or they will even withdraw everything you have. So go and secure your Sidra account. Now I'm going to enable 2-factor authentication. I've done that, but let me try and know if I can enable it for the purpose of this video. You click on manage here. When to tap on manage, you can read the terms and conditions. 2-factor authentication enable your account security with additional layer of protection. After reading it, okay, currently, like I said, I have enabled this. You can see the only thing I can do here is to remove, and I don't want to remove. Just you click on it, follow the step, go to your, make sure you also have Google Authenticator on your phone. You have to install it first. You have to save it on your phone. Then you save it. Use the code or the numbers that you receive from this. Send it to your Google Authentication. Save it and link your wallet, so that before anyone can remove anything from your wallet, it must pass through that OTP that will require you to put your Google Authenticator. So make sure you do this immediately. Now going back to the other one, which is to enable password. Click on it. Here you say change password. Update your password to keep your account secure. So you have to update your password. You put the current password, you put the new password you want, you confirm it, and automatically you will enable password. You enable it in your phone. So go and do this. Now the last but not the least is passkeys. If you click on the passkeys, I don't have this one, and you can now click on add. You can now click on add passkey. If you tap on it, you are going to choose a device. Choose a device for your passkey, NFC, security key, USB, and all that. So you are going to use any of the security key. I don't understand. Okay, use a different phone. You are going to scan this. You're going to scan this and use a different phone if you want. I'm not going to enable this. I don't want passkey. I hardly use fingerprints to open my phone. So, or no passkey, you come here and click on create a passkey. You tap on create. The same thing, or okay, let's choose this device. One, you need to unlock your device first. You have to unlock your device to make sure that you are the rightful owner of the device. So passkey registers successfully. Once you use your passkey, that's your phone password or whatever thing you are using, you are going to see that you have secured your account. So please go and secure your account. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. Coming here, you can see that my document is already approved. I can help you to secure your account by verifying your account. Sidra verification is ending shortly, so make sure that you have verified your account if you wish, so that you will not lose your Sidra point. So that is it for this video. I believe you have got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you, guys.